Alright, example 2, we're going to graph another system. Only in this case, it is in standard form instead of slope-intercept. So let's, I like to do the intercepts, like plug in 0 for x, get a y, plug in 0 for y, and get an x. That's what's easy to do for things that look like this. Plug in 0 for x. That's gone. 2 times 0 is nothing. So we got 3y equals 6, right? 3y equals 6 if 0 is x, which means y equals 2. So 0, 2. Plot it. 0, 2. Alright. Next one, put in 0 for y. So that's 0. So we got 2x equals 6. 2x equals 6, which means x equals 3. So we got 3 zeros. See how easy that was? 1, 2, 3, 0. And if I wasn't explaining it, it would be like 5 seconds tops. Alright, now, is this solid or dashed? That's a dashed line. So I'll go over here and let's see. Make a dashed line this way. So here we go. I'll do this, and then I'll do this. Looks a little weird, but there's my line. Where do I shade? This is an inequality. I have to shade it. So therefore, let's go back to here. We'll shade orange. Is it top or bottom? Let's check 0, 0. Is 0, 0 solution? Put it in here. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0, which is nothing, is less than 6. So is 0 less than 6? Yes, that's true. So 0, 0 is a solution. So we shade all this down here. Okay? Leave that alone. Forget about that. Do the second one. Do the second one here in purple. This is already in slope-intercept form, so plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down to right 3. So down to right 3 here. Or up to left 3, which I don't really have, but I can. Okay. Now let's draw a line here. And let's see. Oh, this is not dashed, but solid. Always forget about that. Easy to forget. So here, I will do this. Okay. All right. There's 2 lines there. Let's shade this one. Shading purple. So is 0, 0 solution or not? 0 is greater or equal to 0 plus 4. That is not a solution. So this is not a solution, which means I shade up here. Now, if you stop here and say, there it is, there's my answer, you're wrong, because what should the solutions do? What are we looking for when we graph a system of inequalities? We're looking for the shade that works for both of them, right? This shade only works for the first one. This shade only works for the second one, which means they don't overlap, which means there's no solutions that work for this one and this one at the same time, which means you have to tell me this. No solution. No solution. Okay? Because it doesn't overlap. Now, if you change this to slope-intercept form, guess what? You'd get a slope of negative 2/3. Both of these slopes have a slope of negative 2/3. They are parallel. So basically this, if you have parallel lines and you're shaded away from each other, they don't overlap, no solution. But if they intersect, I think there will have to be a solution somewhere. So that's what we get. Graph a system with no solution.